Hello and welcome back. In our last session, we explored how to manage error within nested rows. Today, we are going to shift our focus to managing error within layouts. We've learned that an error.tsx file can handle errors for all its nested child segments. However, when it comes to a layout.tsx component within the same segment, there is a subtlety we need to understand. The boundary does not catch error through here because it is nested inside the layout component. If you remember the visual representation of the component hierarchy for a given segment, you will notice that the layout sits above the error boundary. Let's go back to our code editor to understand this better within a practical example. From the component ID root, I'm going to duplicate this error.tsx file into the post ID root. Now, in the post ID layout.tsx file, let's simulate a random error through similar to the logic we have in the comments ID page. We'll change the text to error loading comments list, and to avoid any confusion, let's comment out the error through code in the comments ID roots. On reloading the page several times, we encountered error loading comments list, but there is not error boundary to catch it. Our app is now in a broken state. This is a crucial point to remember. The error boundary will not handle error through in a layout.tsx component within the same segment. To navigate around this, we need to place the error.tsx file in the layout parent segment. In this case, we move error.tsx from the post ID folder into the post folder. Now, on reloading the page, when we encounter the error, we observe that our app remains intact and the error boundary JSX renders in place of the post roots. The header, footer, and any other UI element higher up in the tree are unaffected. The placement of the error.tsx file plays a crucial role in management error efficiently across different segments of our application. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and happy coding!